Okay, so the first 2 minutes of my footage miraculously disappeared, so I apologize. But anyway, hi guys, it's Jessica, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing the Sephora Play unboxing, so the rest of the video, I think, should be self-explanatory. Okay, I literally had the hardest time getting this open. They made the box kind of latch differently this month. And the box actually feels thinner, so I guess it is different. It is definitely different. It is folded different and everything. Anyway, clear bag again. Y'all know I hate the clear bag. And I know I might get comments. My background is different. I am sick. I almost didn't even make this video. So I didn't feel like doing my normal setup, so I decided to just sit here with my little aloe vera plant and make my life a little easier. So this month says kick up the color. The playbook looks very colorful, very, very cute. Oh, it is Beauty in Bloom. I love that. Very, very cute. So anyway, with Sephora Play, it is $10 a month, free shipping, plus tax. And with your Sephora Play box, you get your Play book, which is a description of all the items within your box, and your Play card. And if you take this card into your local Sephora store and make a purchase, you will get 50 extra Beauty Insider points. And you can use these cards online also now, as far as I know, unless something has changed. And then, of course, you get your bag of goodies. And this one feels very heavy. So let's hope, fingers crossed, we got some good items in here. Let's go ahead and get started. Right on top, we have NARS Bronzing Powder. How do I get this open? Uh-oh. I hope I did not just break those open. I cannot open packages today. What is wrong with me? Oh, and it's in the color Laguna. So, ooh, it's the, I like it, it's matte touch packaging. And let me try to, it looks like it might have a little bit of a shimmer to it. And I actually think it's not too dark for me. So I will hopefully actually be able to use this. So let's see what the second item is. We got two items. Are you kidding me? Another freaking duplicate! Sephora, please stop sending me duplicates. Okay. This is the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. Okay. Third item. Let's perfume. Versace Bright Crystal. This one actually isn't bad. I probably wouldn't wear it though. Well, it's actually kind of starting to smell fruity. I do like it. I would wear this. I like fruity perfumes or sweet perfumes. Okay, so third item. God, I feel so tired and so sick. Dude. Another duplicate. Why? And I don't even like dry shampoo. Well, my sister's getting this. I gave her my last one because, like I said, I don't like dry shampoo, and she actually really, really loved this one. So if you are someone who likes dry shampoo, must be good because my sister liked it. So this is Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Alright, so 2 duplicates once again. Let's see what the next item is. Oh my god, please don't tell me. Like triple sec 3-in-1 dry bar. I almost feel like I've gotten this before, but I really can't remember. Alright, I guess I'll use it. If I have gotten this before, I literally never used it. But I think this is the one that I got as a dry shampoo also actually, and it smelled horrible. It smelled like really strong chemicals. So maybe I wouldn't like this. I don't know. Okay, I think we got one item left. Let's see what we got. This sunscreen. Yay. Whoop-de-doo. Okay. This is the Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40 Super Goop. I really don't care. I don't want sunscreen in a makeup bag. If the other items were all really great, I probably wouldn't complain, but I'm gonna complain because I've had a bunch of Sephora plays that are just not doing it for me. Well, I feel like this box was a bust. Kind of feeling per usual lately. So, yay, joy. Anyway, I guess I'll keep this video short. So, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'm sorry I'm being a negative Nancy. My cold is probably not helping my attitude. Anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one, hopefully in a much better mood, not sick anymore. But anyway, I'll see you then. So thanks for watching and sending pugs and kisses your way. Bye!